Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing R2-D2 with rockets. This was the second R2-D2 that we did. The first one I drew was, here's the concept that I drew, a little thumbnail to try to nail down what we're doing. It's really meant to capture the spirit of the scene in Revenge of the Sith where R2 fires the rockets and lights the super battle droids on fire. And I did a version of that was based on that thumbnail, and I didn't like how it turned out, and we started over with this composition here that you see here. Using the old white jelly roll here to add the stars in here. So that's about, I think we're pretty close to the end here for the black and white part. Just using the jelly roll to fill in a few areas, last minute details here. And that's about the, oh, Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. All right, Let's see what he's up to. Got a little blue. Filling in for R2-D2. That makes sense. He's got these blue highlights here. Let's see how it goes. Well, we're coming up on the end of another video here. We're just about done. He's about to start putting his signature on here, and the meow to all, that means that we're at the end, alas. Well, here we are as our final product. We had a really good time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.